Okay, I'm at 2228 North 37th Place and touring this beautiful contemporary home. So this is a teardown. It's not a home that someone's bought and then gave it new paint, new stucco, and new flooring. They actually tore this house down. Actually, that's not true. I just found out from the neighbor that this was part of the home next door. The seller sold this portion of their house. The developer replatted it for two different homes and they built a new house. So this was actually not a tear down, I'm wrong in that. But take a look at this, nice open floor plan. I love the modern contemporary design. It's got the clean colors, you got the white cabinets, silas stone countertops. I really like this grayish blue backsplash also, which is really nice. A lot of natural light, stainless steel appliances, and I'm just trying to give you a feel as to what a nice open space this is. So it has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go to the master bedroom area. Master bedroom again is really well sized also. It has a taupish gray carpet. And then the master bathroom is over here. Well-appointed master closet. And here goes the master shower. Tub. And the vanities. Another bedroom. Always difficult taking videos of an empty room, but just trying to give you an idea as to the size. Same carpet as in the master walk-in closet, which is great. And then here goes the secondary bathroom. Again, some nice finishes. This home is priced at $849,000. And this is a 3rd bedroom. And I was wrong, I said it's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath. It's actually a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom home. This bedroom has its own bathroom. And then you have another office over here. So what I really like about this house is also the lot size. Here's the back patio. But look at this backyard. It is massive. I wish the developer had added more grass. But nice big yard. Definitely a neighborhood that's up and coming. And this developer has pretty much, it's a new build for $849,000. Let me know if you have any questions. I like the house. I'm going to show it to my clients and see what they say about it.